What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today is a little bit different. Today, I have an announcement. Let me explain. One of the most common questions that I get asked is, where do you start tricking? What's the first thing you should learn? Where can I start? What should I do? And I wanted to make an answer for all that. So, I wrote a book. If you guys want to get a copy of the book, there's two ways to get it. The first is it's available on my website, howtomastertricking.com. The second is, if you're a patron of Mastering Tricking, you already got a copy. If you want to get it through the Patreon or my website, please, both options are awesome. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much and have a lovely day.